Did you know there are false eyelashes that are made with magnets? To find out more, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Beauty News with Angela Cruz. Today we're doing an in-depth review for Two Lashes by Two Cosmetics. These are magnetic lashes. The company Two Cosmetics has patent-pending micromagnetic technology. The lashes sandwiches your natural lashes between two ultra-lightweight fiber strips to create a dramatic lash line in seconds. The unique patent-pending design makes lashes look long, thick, and luxurious while looking very natural. The breakthrough solution works for people of all ages, ethnicities, and fits any eye shape. I'm demonstrating the original lash. It gives you length and volume without a big false lash effect. It's a half lash, so it goes on half of your eye. As you can see, each lash strip has a very tiny magnet on them, and you can tell which one is the top and which one is the bottom because the bottom has the red dot on it. I like to put the top lash on top of my natural lashes and then the bottom lash right underneath, line up the magnets, and they sandwich right together. You can see if you get it close to your natural lash line, it looks extremely realistic and natural, not very false. I wanted a more dramatic look, so I put on a second half lash so that they would sit side by side. I did not do a great job with this first application because there was a gap in between the two lashes together. So I took it off, started all over again, put them a little closer together. This time I was much happier. So here's what they look like from far away. They're very comfortable to wear. You can't really feel them. Then on my second eye, I didn't do a great application. The problem was that I put the magnets too far from my natural lash line. They need to be closer to your eyelid to look more natural. So this shows how to do it and how not to do it. Look at the difference between the two. Either way, I love these lashes. I think they're fantastic. If you want to try these out for yourself, I put a link for the company below. Subscribe to my channel because I have a video coming out soon how you can make your own magnetic lashes your own way at home yourself. So if you like the DIY concept, then stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for tuning in for this video. Love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.